Absolutely. I ask my father for money several times a day, sometimes 50 rupees, sometimes 100. If an esteemed guest like you comes, I might take 500 or even 1,000. You're 50 years old, the first person I know at this age still asking his father for money. Allah has blessed you with so much, your children are grown, yet you ask your father for money daily? Tell me, we have two hands, one below, which we call the receiving hand, and one above, which we call the giving hand. Which one is superior? The one above, the giving hand. Now imagine you've been the giving hand your whole life, always providing for your children and those around you. But then suddenly, you have to become the receiving hand, needing to ask others even for small things. How would you feel? You're absolutely right. One would feel diminished and needy. Exactly. My father was always the giving hand his entire life. We asked him for everything: shoes, clothes, money for guests. He was our sole source of income until we became financially independent, and his sources diminished. My father never asked anyone for anything his entire life. I saw he wouldn't even ask me. His pocket was empty month after month, his shoes and clothes worn out. If he needed medicine, he'd remain silent. Initially I was angry, thinking parents have a right to their children's wealth, but I didn't realize that the giving hand can't easily become the receiving one. It's a painful transition. My father felt like a burden, and gradually confined himself to his room. I thought it was just old age. He was 75, often unwell, becoming less active. But then, something strange happened to me. My 17-year-old son suddenly stopped asking me for money. I found out he was earning well from online work alongside his studies and was even giving money to his mother and sisters. Believe me, it felt bad, and I felt unnecessary and burdensome. Then I understood the pain my father felt when the giving hand becomes the receiving one. I went straight to him and asked like a child, "Father, do you have 50 rupees?" My father was sitting there looking sad. As soon as my words hit his ears, energy seemed to surge through him. He sat up, instinctively reached into his pocket, and placed 50 rupees in my hand. After giving me that 50, his demeanor changed. He seemed to light up. Since that day, I've